Alright guys, so we have Qlik, we have Powerbi, and we have Tableau, which is the best data analytics tool. Okay, we're gonna go over the pros and cons of each. Make sure you watch till the end of this video. So let's get started with Qlik first. It is known for its associative data model, which allows users to explore data freely without being restricted, to those predefined queries. And one of its biggest strengths is its memory, in memory processing, which enables fast data analytics. And Qlik also offers, you know, a really cool feature, which is the AI driven insights and robust security features as well. However, the interface, I would say, honestly, it can be complex for beginners, and the licensing costs, it can be high, especially for small businesses. Let me show you the pricing here. They have different pricing options, but it is very pricey for the small businesses. Now let's move on to Power Buy. Okay, now this is actually a Microsoft based analytics tool that integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products like Excel and Azure. And now Power Buy is highly user friendly, makes it a great choice for both beginners and professionals, which is what I love about this. And it offers strong AI driven analytics, real time data updates, and affordability compared to other tools. And let me show you what the pricing is. You can actually get started for free as well, and they do have a pro premium plans. It's very, very affordable. Okay, and the main problem with this though is the handling large data sets can actually be challenging, and some advanced features actually require a premium subscription. Now finally, let's go ahead and talk about Tableau. It is widely recognized for its powerful data visualization. Okay, the capabilities that they have in terms of that and flexibility in handling large data basically sets Tableau. Okay, let me show you the pricing. It actually sets it, apart from the competition. Though there is a steeper learning curve compared to, the other platforms, for example, Powerbi, and the pricing can be higher, especially for enterprises and enterprise level solutions. So basically, that's the main differences between Qlik, Powerbi, and Tableau, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. That's all for this, and make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.